guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, I am so beyond excited because it is part one of my Christmas 2023 Decorate With Me. It is my Kara's Christmas series that I have here on my channel, which basically means every single week until Christmas, it's gonna be Christmas content. It's gonna be home Christmas content, home decor finds, Amazon finds, affordable Christmas decor, shop with me, all of that good stuff. I'm beyond excited because I planned out pretty much all of my content and there's gonna be a lot of home DIYs in there, just like so many fun ideas, and I cannot wait to film and share them with you guys. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then please just keep on watching. Okay guys, now that we have looked through all of my decor, I pulled some things out, it's time to start decorating. I'm starting with these faux branches. They're basically like these little white trees. I'll link them down below. Everything, as much as I can find, will be linked down below. And I plan on putting these like in the man cave. I think would look awesome. The thing with these white branches is it's gonna look better up against a dark paint color. So if you have a room that is painted pretty much anything but white, it's gonna look way better. I'm also moving on to the dining room, just putting little decorative objects up in the cabinets. I have these snowflakes. A lot of these things are from Hobby Lobby and Home Goods, but I will link as much as I can. And I switch out the wreath in the dining room. I absolutely love this. To me, it just feels so cozy, and I'm just adding some decorative objects over to this end table on the side. I end up switching out these branches in this vase. I really like the way that this looked, but I ended up putting it someplace else. And then we're moving on to my office. So I'm just switching out the stems in here, adding some stems over on the console table in the corner, and just making it feel very festive. So moving on to the living room, we're just adding, again, it's kind of like that same idea as what I used in the dining room, just now putting it in the living room media cabinet. It's just adding a little bit of like sprinkles of Christmas decor in your home to give it that touch, just adding it on shelves, behind cabinets, like through the glass, being able to see it is just so special and beautiful. Okay, now moving on to the mantle. You guys, this took me so long. It took so many command hooks and zip ties, but I managed to get it up there. And now I'm just moving on to the pillows on the couch. I found this gorgeous snowflake pillow. I just think it's so cute and fun and festive. The kids absolutely love this. At this point, we've had our home decorated for Christmas for a few weeks now, and the pillow is definitely a crowd pleaser. One of my favorite aspects of our home is having 2 fireplaces. It's basically like a dual-sided fireplace, and so I'm able to decorate both sides, and I try to have like different personalities. Like I would say the front fireplace mantle decor is very like neutral, modern, and aesthetic, and then the sunroom mantle, which I'm decorating now, is way more cozy, warm, and inviting. So you have to let me know in the comments which side you like better, because I'm definitely torn. Okay, so now moving on to the first of many Christmas trees in our home. Technically, when I am recording this or editing, we're still waiting on our living room tree. I ordered it the end of October. It still hasn't arrived. I was hoping it would be here in time for this video, but that'll have to be in the next one.
Let me tell you about old Saint Nick and me. As tight as can be. It's been that way forever. Guess what shapes that go together?
Basically my office Christmas tree, honestly, I love it. I love the black and white ornaments. I feel like it gives it so much personality, and the tree topper this year I think is so unique and different. I love adding glass ornaments, kind of see-through ornaments onto the tree. I just think it sparkles so much with the lights on the tree. It just looks very romantic and cozy, and it doesn't look too overcrowded. I think less is more when it comes to ornaments. I think it just looks so magical and beautiful and delicate. Like I don't know, dainty kind of comes to my mind, but obviously like festive as well. So yeah, that's a little tip. Less is more. Okay, you guys, so technically it is day, I want to say like 4 or 5 at this point. I have been decorating my little heart out, but we are moving on to upstairs. I'm still not 100% done with downstairs because we don't have our tree yet. I ordered a tree from Balsam Hill. I placed 1-day shipping because I wanted to get content out for you guys. It was already an expensive tree and it's still not here. I have called them. I did the live chat on their website. Anyway, it's supposed to be here on Wednesday. I'm putting this video up on Friday with or without the tree. So we'll see if it comes or not. If not, I'll just do another video and then it'll just be part 2 of decorating. I don't know. I'm gonna make something shake with that part 2 video if the tree doesn't come, but the show must go on. We are upstairs. We're gonna be doing our master bedroom, glam room, Briella's room, Argie's room, and I'm gonna save the playroom for another video as well because I'm gonna be doing DIYs. Anyway, I'm a little congested if you can hear that. I'm gonna stop talking, but let's get into decorating. I brought pretty much everything upstairs. This is the last day that I'm decorating, so I'm gonna try to get everything done. Fingers crossed the tree comes. If not, like I said, the show must go on. So let's get into it. You guys, when I tell you this garland gave me such a hard time, it was so difficult to get it to attach to this mirror. I used command strips on the actual mirror, but I found what really worked is when I added the command hooks on to the top of the mirror. Like, I don't know if you can see, the mirror itself kind of has like a little ledge, like it has maybe like an inch or two of give up at the top and really all the way around the perimeter. So I just stuck the command hooks up at the top, and then I was able to secure the garland and zip tie another strand of garland onto this one to give it that draped full look, and I think it turned out amazing. However, for this garland in our bedroom on this huge mirror, I ended up just kind of tucking the garland behind the mirror because the mirror is so big. It's literally 7 feet tall. I'm able to really secure it behind the mirror because it's so heavy. It's really not going anywhere. I don't find that I need command hooks, so I just draped a bunch of garland. I want to say I used like 4 different kinds of garland, zip tied it together, and made it look really, really pretty. It's just so magical and whimsical, and it's just a vibe. Okay, so moving on, I have some more of these lit branches. I shared these last year if you've been following for that long, and I just think they look so pretty. Again, it's just very magical, very whimsical, and I don't know, dainty. Dainty keeps like coming to mind. And I really, really like these. They come in a pack of 3. Well, I think you can get like varying sizes, but I got the 3-pack, which has a 6 foot, a 4 foot, and then also a 3 foot, I think. I don't know. I could be totally wrong and mixing up the sizes, but basically it's 3 different sizes. I put it in the corner. Okay, so now we are moving on to the kids' rooms. I just started off by adding some garland around their mirrors. I just have 2 different kinds in Argie's room. And then actually in Briella's room, I decided to just have a gold wreath as well as this like pom-pom garland, which I think is just like really fun and cute for a little girl's room. So yeah, you guys, I really hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And all of my 2023 Christmas decor, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.